तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दं किञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसीं मकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषं संक्षोभमक्षरजुषाम् अपि चित्ततन्वो. Spiritual realm is a fourth dimension. It's a fourth dimension. Beyond our experiences of our senses, mind, and ahamkara. So it's a fourth dimension thing. Unless we are dependent on the mercy of those who are situated in that fourth dimension, transcendentally situated, and unless we have a prayerful sankalpa, hey Bhagavan, Guru and Krishna, very kindly, very kindly take me where you are before shedding this mortal frame. Very kindly, please take me to where you are, Sadhu Guru. Unless that prayerful, unless that prayer constantly goes within, unless that becomes a cry, how can this journey happen to fourth dimension, to where these transcendental personalities are situated? So sankalpa, prayerful sankalpa. Shri Harinam Prabhu, Guru and Gauranga, you gave the Shri Harinama. This is Chidananda Amrita Dhama. Very kindly, please place me in that Chidananda Amrita Dhama. Jaya Jaya Harinama Chidananda Amrita Dhama. So this holy name, Shri Harinama, Chitta Ananda Amrita Dhama. Chetodarpanamarjanam bhavamahadavagninirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam Anandambudivardhanam Pratipadam Purnamritasvadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. All these possibilities from Chetodarpanamarchanam to Sarvatmasnapanam is present here in this Nama, which is Chidananda Amrita Dhama. Namna Makari Bahudam Nija Sarva Shaktis Tatrarpita Niyamita Smaranena Kalam Etatrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mama Durtaiva Mitrishamiha Janina Nuragaha. This holy name has such potency. Bhagavan. Is it to be said that Bhagavan has potency? His Shaktiman. Holy name is so powerful that it can not only do Chetodarpanamarchanam, it can not only Krishnaize us from inside out at all times, but it can cause Sarvatmasnapanam. Trinadapi sunichena taroreva sahish Amanina manadena kirtaniya sada. You know, the Vamana Avatara started as Vamana Avatara, such small dwarf like Vamana. But very soon he becomes Trivikrama, occupying the whole Brahmanda, past the layers of Brahmanda. And when the lotus feet is lifted up, it brings down the Ganges. Shri Harinam Prabhu. That's the potency of Sri Harinam. Nadanam na janam na sundarim kavitam va jagadish kamaye. Mama janmani janmanishware bhavatad bhaktiya haitu kitvayi. So sweet, maduram madure pyopi. So sweet is this nama, and that it just makes one say nothing else, Bhagavan, only your loving service, please. It is so sweet. Bhavatad bhakti hai tuki tvai. No matter what situation you may put me in, no matter what body you may put me in, no matter what you may choose to do with me, whatever you may choose to do with me, but give me this relishment of loving service to you, Bhagavan. This is so tasty. I want only this rasa. You put me in whatever situation you want me to put in. No problem. But loving service to you, Bhagavan, please. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ainanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishame bhavam budam. Kripayam tava pada pankaja stita dhuli sadrisham vichintaya. As a saffron dust particle at the lotus feet of Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Nayanam galadashrudharaya vadanam gadgadarudhaya gira. Pulakair nichitair vapukad tava nama grihane bhavishyati. They can only see Krishna. Krishna, 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 and Krishna, and Krishna. Wherever they look, it's only Shyamasundara Krishna. And all that flows from their heart is this great love for this Shyamasundara Krishna. Yugayitam nimishena chakshusha pravasyayitam shunyayitam jagat sarvam govinda. The very same Shyamasundara Krishna, Sri Radha Shyamasundara, is here. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Aslishya pinastum Adarshanam Marmahatam Karotu Yada Tata Vidadhatav Lampato Matprananathastu Sayeva Naparaha. This is Yukta Sita Matparaha. Matprananathastu Sayeva Naparaha. Nobody else, nothing else but you, the Prananatha. I mean, what else is there other than Prananatha? Shri Shri Radha Govinda. Is there any place without Shri Shri Radha Govinda? Is there anything that is not belonging to Radha Govinda? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshashtakam given by Sri Mahan Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Dharamatya sarvasreshtam nama samkirtana niraparadha nama leile paye premadhana athayeva nama matra Vaishnavera dharma. Is that happening to me before I shed this mortal frame? Nama is Vaishnava dharma. Name prasputita hoile rupa guna karma Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान की जय।